Hi, I'm Marco Artusi and I'm electrical domain expert in Schneider Electric process electrification practice. Decarbonization brings a unique opportunity for industrial sectors to upgrade existing plant, optimize energy usage, electrify processes and integrate a renewable resource. Many times, customer decarbonization team focus on CO2 saving that they can obtain from the electrification of a specific item, but they miss to estimate properly all the side effects that it could have. Electrical consumption can easily triplicate with electrification of an energy-intensive process, and spare capacity of existing electrical network most probably cannot accommodate the additional power. So, is it feasible with the actual voltage level to distribute the increased electrical power demand? And can the external power supply accommodate the additional power, or is it necessary to plan for a direct connection with high voltage grid? And again, if external power supply has some limitation, is the internal power generation a viable solution? With process electrification, the reliability of plant electrical system will definitely become even more critical than before. Sure, all plants have a process control system that, for example, deeply monitor the behavior of large steam boiler or gas furnace, but very few of them have an efficient electrical monitoring system in place with predictive maintenance facility that can even limit unexpected power outage. So, even the early design of the digital architecture is another core element to consider in order to maximize the value of the process electrification. So these are just some of the topics where we can help customers with an holistic approach to navigate in the complexity of the electrification and take informed decisions. With our expertise, we design the integration of new electrified items into the plant electrical and control system, and we leverage ETAP, our market-lead software for electrical calculation, as well as AVEVA platform for the process side. So definitely our team is more than just a consultancy, it's a partnership for a greener tomorrow. Stay tuned for more insight from the process electrification team. Connect and follow me on LinkedIn to get up to speed and learn about what we do. Thanks.